I'm going to show you how much money YouTube paid me in my first month of monetization. Remember, I got monetized on 1st of February 2025. Now, from 1st of February to 28th of February, in just 28 days, this is the kind of money that I managed to make. Now, before I go even far, I'm going to tell you one thing. If you're chasing about your YouTube goals, please don't give up. YouTube is worth it. In just 28 days, I was able to make four figures of dollars. Four figures of dollars. If I talk about four figures, I'm talking about thousands of dollars. Now, after telling you how much money I've made in my first month, I'm also going to share with you the tricks, the measures that I use to gain this kind of money. You know, a lot of people are monetized, but they are doing a lot of mistakes that lead them to get low payments from YouTube. Did you know that there are things that you do in your content that lead YouTube to pay you low money? Did you know that there are things that you can stop doing and then YouTube pays you a lot of money, like the money that I just earned in my first month of monetization? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back for another video. If this is your first time to be here, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Ben, and on this channel, I talk about tricks, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So if you want to grow a YouTube channel for success, if you want to earn on YouTube, subscribe right now and don't forget to turn on notifications so that whenever I upload, you get notified. All right, without wasting any time, let's go in my YouTube studio and I show you how much YouTube paid me in my first month. Now, this is my studio dashboard as you see, and this notification here shows me that my pin has been delivered. My pin was actually delivered on 20th of February, and I'm expecting to get it this month, hopefully. And you know, the pin always delays sometimes, so I'm not worrying about the pin because there is also other options of verifying AdSense in case you fail to get the pin. So I'm not worried at all about that. All right, let's go to my analytics and I show you how much YouTube paid me in my last month. So this is it. Let me go to the filter right here and we go to February, okay? So this is February right here, and this is how many views I got. Now, in February, I got over 152,000 views in just 1 month of February, and that was my first month of monetization. YouTube paid me $3,943 in my first month of monetization. Oh my goodness. I'm going to take you in one of my videos and show you the CPM, how CPM was high. I'm going to show you how my videos are getting very, very high kind of CPM. The reason to why YouTube has paid me this amount of money with just this, because these views are very few compared to the money. But the reason is because of my location of viewers. Most people that watch my videos are from the US, UK, Canada, and then some from India. And then the second thing is about my videos, the way I actually align everything when I'm monetizing my videos. So here's my content. I'm going to use some of the videos here and show you how my CPM is very, very high, okay? Let me show you this video right here. Okay, this video right here. So let's go to its analytics and see. Now, only this video has earned for me $500 with only 12K views, okay? This is the CPM of this video. Let me show you something here I'm talking about. I want you to know something. Now, this is estimated revenue, and let's scroll down and see the CPM of this video, okay? Now, as you see, advertisers pay $90. $90. And this is how much YouTube pays me. The RPM. YouTube pays me $45 for every 1K views. Now, in the next screen, I'm going to share with you the secrets that keep my earnings very high like this. Getting paid $45 for 1K views, that is very, very high. Very high, as you hear me saying. Now, let's go to this video right here. And this video, you know, this video surprised me a lot. It surprised me so much. Let me show you this video right here. So this is the video, okay? Let's go to its analytics. Let's go to the analytics and we see. Now, this video has very few views. As you see, it has only 300 views. And with 300 views, YouTube has paid me $14. Oh my goodness. $14 for 300 views. Advertisers pay $87 for YouTube to advertise their ads on my video, on this particular video. And then from $87, YouTube pays me $49 out of 87. Now, in my next screen, as I told you, I'm going to show you how I actually maximize everything, how I make my CPM and RPM very high like this. I'm going to show you everything without hiding anything. And if you're either monetized or you're not monetized, you need to know this, because once you get monetized, you need to apply this in your videos and get this high payment. The first thing that you have to do is making longer videos. Make videos that are 8 minutes and long. Videos that are 8 minutes and long, you can place ads in between them, okay? If you make short videos, you're going to earn low money. And if you make longer videos, you're going to earn good money. Make videos with value. Yes, you have to make videos with value, videos that people can watch. Don't make videos just because you want to make videos, you want to upload today or you want to upload next day. Make videos with value. Let people watch your videos with a reason to why they are watching. Let people watch your videos because they want to learn something, because they want to get entertained, because they want to do something. Let viewers find value in your videos. Now, these are the things that you have to consider if you're either monetized or if you're chasing for monetization. You know, the earlier the better. So this information is also important to someone who is not monetized right now. You need to prepare yourself for monetization, because these measurements, I began doing them from the first day. I began shaping my content for monetization from the first day, from the first upload that I made on YouTube. And whatever I'm going to say here is very important. So it is important to both people, the one that is monetized and the one that is not monetized. Now, the first thing that you have to look into, if you've been doing this, it is using free copyright music. Yes, I'm not meaning copyrighted music. I'm meaning free copyright music. Music from the YouTube library. Now, if I'm an artist and I compose my songs, then I submit my songs to YouTube to put that music in the YouTube library or YouTube music library. When I submit my music and creators use that music in their videos, YouTube should pay me because I'm the owner of that music. And whoever uses that music, if they are monetized, YouTube has to pay me, okay? Now, when you use such music and earn $100 from one video that you used music from the YouTube studio library, YouTube is going to deduct money from your own earnings and pay the artist, the owner of that music. And by doing that, you're going to lose money. You're going to lose money from your earnings. So that's why I don't use music in my background. You'll never hear a music sound in my background, because I know when I use their music, YouTube is going to deduct money from my earnings and it's going to pay them. It's going to pay the authors, the owners of that music. And if you do that, you're going to lose money if you use music, free copyright music. It doesn't stop just at music from the YouTube studio library. It also goes up to music from free stock websites. Like I know one website called Pixels, there are Pixabay, there are a lot of websites, free stock website. If you use their music, YouTube is still going to do the same thing because those people have copyright of that music. They're the owners of that music. I'm not saying that stop using music in your videos. You know, there are kind of content that you cannot upload without a background music. If you don't put a background music, the content is going to be boring. So in case of that kind of content, I advise you get producers, or if you can produce your own music and use that music in your videos. If you keep on using music from these kind of sources, YouTube Studio Library or any other outside copyright free music, you're going to earn low money because YouTube is going to deduct from your earnings and pay the owners of that music. And this has helped me to maximize my earnings, as you see. The second thing, it is about copyright-free videos. Yes, I'm talking about videos from free footage website. websites like Pixel, Pixabay, and such kind of website. If you use their videos and insert their videos in your content, when you're monetized, once you earn from that content, YouTube is going to deduct money from your earnings and pay those people because they have a corporate ownership in that content. Now, if you want to maximize your payments, stop using anything that doesn't belong to you in your videos. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Watch this video if your problem is watch hours. I shared on how I gained over 3,600 watch hours in a period of 7 hours. Not 7 days, not 7 weeks, but 7 hours. You watch this video and you learn how to do that. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.